If you're like me and just hate hauling a heavy chainsaw around, well, let me introduce to you the SEYVUM Cordless Mini Chainsaw. I'm not gonna lie, this is handsome packaging. Oh wow. Oh, okay. Gloves. Oh, a bag? Look at this. Jeez, everything is protected properly too? Oh, I'm already falling in love, guys. I'm already falling in love with this. Oh snap, and it comes with 2 batteries too. Wow, I'm actually surprised they were able to jam pack all of these accessories inside the box. Right off the bat. The hand slim design mini chainsaw. You got an oil bottle, I think a cleaning brush, 2 lithium ion batteries, AC adapter, a pair of gloves, and looks like an instructions guide in here with a registration card, and of course that nylon carry bag to fit everything in there. Woo! I'm so glad you threw the box away because there's this extra pair of chains. I really like that black and kind of like a yellowish green color. It makes it look like it's perfect for the yard work duties. Alright, so let's familiarize ourselves with the parts of this mini chainsaw, and it comes even a sheath too, okay? That's much appreciated. Alright, so you have the chainsaw. This is called a guide bar right here. And you have this protective guide that rotates around the angle. And this is what's known as a chain tensioning. Also the bar tightening knob. Okay, both of them are in one. You got an anti-slip design, rubberized grooved. This is where the battery pack goes. Okay, and there is also a built-in safety switch right here, so it doesn't automatically come on. Okay, and here is the trigger button. Oh wow. And on the reverse side, this is what it looks like. Now this is lightweight and compact because it measures 16.3 inches by 8.7 inches by 4.6 inches. And it weighs a mere 2.9 pounds. So here are the dual 20 volts, 2000 milliamps rechargeable battery pack. With a 2-hour charge time, you can use them consecutively for a 1-hour job. Let's go ahead and charge this up and put it to the test. Or I have it charging. It shows red. I'm pretty sure when it's green, that means it's fully charged. And don't forget, it takes 2 hours for a full charge. After so many uses of the mini chainsaw, the parts might become loose. So you tighten the bar with rotating this to the right, and also the chainsaw, the chain, you tighten it by rotating to the right. See how that's becoming less slack? Yeah. So in combination, this adds more greater safety and better quality control. As with using any type of chainsaw, whether it be gas or electric, it's recommended to apply some type of lubricant. I'm simply using some type of cooking oil. I believe this is just canola oil. You use corn oil, vegetable oil, whatever. I filled the bottle, and I believe you have to cut the tip because when I tried it, I don't think anything was coming out. Okay, and there's a cap right there. So you simply just squirt a little bit of the oil on here and use the brush to lubricate the rest. Get it all in there. See? Alright, so before I start, I'm gonna wear this safety goggle as precaution. Let's go ahead and plug the battery. Slide the battery into the mini chainsaw. Should slide on easily. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on. Wait a minute, it won't turn on because you have to engage the safety switch. That's a safety feature built in. Check it out. Alright, so I have this branch right here that I want to saw off. Let's go ahead and measure that. And that looks like right under 2.5 diameter, just cut easily. Look how clean that cut is. See, that's how tall it is. It was leaning against the fence. I think it kind of damaged it, so I'm gonna repair that. Okay, let's cut these into smaller chunks so it's easier to recycle. So I realized I was blocking the footage. So now you guys got me out here in the hiking trail. As much as I want to cut down one of these trees, I can't. So I found a fallen branch. I think that's about 6 inches right there. Let's go ahead and cut into it. That's a clean cut right there. Look how smooth that is. Woo! Like butter. So as you can see, the mini cordless chainsaw cuts with ease. Operated with a powerful 750 watt motor, it's able to cut 6-inch wood in 8 seconds, operating at a 26.2 feet per second RPM. I mean, which would you rather use? A heavy, old style chainsaw or a mini chainsaw? The choice is yours because I have quite a bit of work to do. So if you're in the market for a mini electric cordless chainsaw, definitely give the SEYVUM mini chainsaw a look.